Welcome back to day number 3 of my Christmas in July crafting series. Today I'll be making 2 shadow boxes using boxes from the Dollar Tree. For shadow box number 1, I've already painted a nice baby blue around just the inside of the bottom of the box, the back, and all around the edges. I always use my Americana craft paint, and I'm then going to be applying a thin coat of Mod Podge to the bottom in order to stick down some scrapbook paper. And I've picked out this pretty light blue paper with snowflakes all over it, and normally I have a piece that fits the entire background, but this one was a little short, but don't worry, I'm going to be covering that up with some felt. Now, of course, I do this for all of my shadow boxes. I go around the edges with some glitter glue. I then sprinkle some diamond dust around the edges, and it sticks to all of that glitter glue, and it's just so pretty. It makes a beautiful sparkly border. And here's a piece of felt I mentioned earlier. I'm just going to be gluing it in with my hot glue, and I've already cut it out to make a nice little snowy hill for the background. And this is going to be probably my most popular version of shadow boxes because it's going to have snowmen in it. Anytime I do anything with snowmen, it is super popular. I also wanted to add some 3D snow, so I used my buffalo snow, and I'm just gluing that to the bottom of the box to give it a little bit more texture. In case you're wondering, you find these boxes in the wood section of the Dollar Tree where all the craft supplies is at, and they're just a simple wooden box. There's no lid or cover, and I just turn them into shadow boxes. Now this beautiful Christmas tree sticker I just recently got from Hobby Lobby. They are out all year long. They are not a seasonal item, so you can go and buy these stickers right now. I thought this would be the perfect sticker for the background, just right in the center. These snowmen as well you can buy at Hobby Lobby, and yes, they're already a sticker, but I like to bump these out from the back. Someone mentioned this in my very first shadow box video, that I should put foam on the back to make them stick out even more. So I've been doing that all the time, and I absolutely love it. It just gives the box more dimension. And I'm going to be gluing this snowman on the left side of the tree, and there's going to be another one on the right, kind of like a couple, like they're Mr. and Mrs. Snowman. I also always try to put something in the very front of my shadow box, so I had these sparkly little pom-pom balls, and so I took 3 of them and stacked them up like they're kind of building their own little snowman maybe, and they're just getting ready to build themselves another little friend. So I just stacked them up like a pyramid, one on top of the other, and I thought this was a cute little detail. Another craft supply that I use all the time from Hobby Lobby are these cute little snowflake buttons, but I never use them as actual buttons. I always end up cutting the back of them off and just use them as simple little snowflakes to lots of my different crafts. So I'm going to just put little tiny dots of hot glue in the background and glue them here and there wherever I think they look cute, just again to add a little 3D element to the background. I know there's already a ton of snowflakes, but I like adding like the 3D elements as well. And I always enjoy putting something on the border. I didn't have a sticker that I liked that would match, so whenever I don't have a sticker, I make a pretty little bow, this lovely white bow with silver snowflakes, and I also added a larger snowflake right in the center. And here is the first finished shadow box. Please tell me in the comments down below after you see the second one which one's your favorite. The second one is also a super popular theme, so tell me which one you like the best. For the second shadow box, I painted it this really beautiful red color, Santa Red, from my Americana craft paint, and it is going to be the same size box as before. I also applied Mod Podge, picked out my scrapbook paper for the background, and of course did my glitter glue and diamond dust all around the edges to make a nice sparkly border. I glued down a snowy hill made out of felt like the last shadow box, and as an extra little detail, I had this really cute peppermint sticker that acts as a border, and I wanted to add that across the top. Now I kind of forgot I wanted to do this. I wasn't going to do the glitter glue and diamond dust across the top, and I was going to add this sticker, but I forgot, so it has both. It was a little tricky getting the sticker in with all that diamond dust in the way, but it worked out just fine, and I really like how it turned out, just an extra cute little border across the top. And if you haven't guessed already based off of that little peppermint, this is gingerbread themed. I absolutely love gingerbread men, and I found these adorable little gingerbread men again at Hobby Lobby out all year round, so you can definitely go and buy these, not just during Christmas time. And again, I added the foam to the back to bump out all these cute little characters, and I definitely love the colors. They're more kind of burgundy, but there's also this cute mint green color that matched the background paper that I added, and they are going across the hill in kind of a cute little rainbow sweep. Now again, I wanted to add some 3D snow with my buffalo snow because I thought the front was looking a little empty. Now these candy canes and peppermints are actually Christmas ornaments, tiny baby Christmas ornaments, but I always use them not as Christmas ornaments, just by cutting off the top, and I glued them in both hands of the little boys like they're holding some candy. I added a cute little Merry Christmas sign. This poinsettia matched the holly in the background. And again, a cute little bow in the corner like I did on the first one. This little peppermint sticker was perfect and matched the colors really well. And as a last minute detail, I also added some cute little gumdrops to the front because I thought it was looking a little empty. And here is the finished second shadow box. Again, tell me in the comments down below which one you liked best. It's really hard for me to pick, but I think I like the gingerbread man one the best. Don't forget to come back tomorrow for episode number 4 of my Christmas in July crafting series. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.